Ladies and gentlemen, it's Promises 187. Wishing you a happy new year. Happy 2019. 2018 was a great year. I thank everybody for watching the channel and supporting. I appreciate it. We've had a really good 2018. Looking forward to 2019. We're looking to hit 100,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. So that's something for me to look forward to. I hope you guys have got your New Year's resolutions set up. Let's make 2019 a great one.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, as you see me lay face down. And by the thorn in your eye.
What's the YouTube advert that you keep getting?
Which one?
I don't know, I'm asking you, what YouTube advert keeps popping up for you? I keep getting these TikTok adverts and it's about a chocolate bar that's been split up. What do you see?
I keep getting the TikTok one, but I get like a different one.
Tell me, what happens in it?
Oh Christ, now you're like asking me to pay attention to adverts.
Well, if it's come up so many times, you're gonna know what happened. Like, it's drilled into my head. I see this chocolate bar in my dreams.
Oh, it's that one where it's just like, oh, you're with her now? I guess I'll just have to show you what you're missing kind of thing.
Oh, okay, yeah, I skip that the moment it's like, oh, it's just some really weird dorky guy and he's like pulling faces like, oh no, I've missed out something.
Yeah.
What happens? Does she strip?
Like, she just like, she doesn't change that much.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, she doesn't change at all, does she?
Yeah, like, the thing is, she's pretty anyway, so it's just like, the fucking point. Like, wow, like, you changed your top.
Get off the wall! Get off! Get off! Get off!
7 seconds!
If I roadkill them, I get to eat them.
Oh my god.
Even and sit down, relax with you then. I could nugget right up there, but nah. I've been criticised for waiting in traffic. It's like,
why?
Premises, why ain't you filtering? You're looking for trouble waiting there for...
Just like, not in the mood. Or no space.
Yeah, I could have indigestion and it'll stop me from wanting to filter. That is a legit thing. Like, when I filter, I need to be top of my game.
Oh.
Fuck you! And thumbs up this video if you agree with the bum. Or if you thumbs down, it means you stick your thumb up your bum.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.